Hey everyone, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding and we are on a brand new Harris 250 Sunliner. Harris Sunliner is a great boat. It's 25, actually almost 26 foot long overall. Two really large couches in the front. Great recessed cubbies for your cup holders, hold your 20, 30 ounce tumblers. Great place to actually put your phone back here in the back. So you've got some great storage there. The storage, Sunliner goes to the drop down hinges, so it makes it easy to get in and out of your storage. Drain troughs all the way around all of our seat bases that drain water out the back of the furniture, keeping your storage nice and dry inside the boat. Gas spring assisted ski locker door. The ski locker is separate from the center tri-tune. The tri-tune's a full length tri-tune. The ski locker is separate. It's got a bilge pump inside of there to keep it dry in there and get any water out that's in there. Flip down armrests on the couches. This is the center walk-through dual helm, so you've got dual helm seats. Both of them recline, super comfortable, really nice. Well-appointed helm. As we do with all of our Harris pontoons, we use a Simrad Go 5 in it, chart plotter, GPS, fish finder. This one is equipped with the upgraded JL Audio head unit. So JL Audio head units, Fusion speakers, USB ports, nice dash, easy to see everything. This boat does have a 225 on it, so it's going to have the digital throttle and shift. Easy to move, put it where you want, it'll cruise the speed that you want it to. Power assisted hydraulic steering. Two more large couches in the back. You can fit plenty of people on this boat. You know, it's a party boat. It's go out, hang out, cruise around, do a little tubing, do a little skiing. Lots of room on the rear deck. If you want to stand back here on this corner, you can do a little fishing back here. Nice stainless steel 4-step ladder. Hey, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax of Dallas. If you have any questions on this boat or anything else we have, give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website for more at marinemax.com. Thanks, we look forward to hearing from you.